Alright, what we have here today is a 52-inch Hunter original ceiling fan that is Chinese made. This fan is from the early 2000s, and this fan is manufactured in China. There's the sticker right there. This fan is reversible to medium oak, or as I like to call it, just regular oak, to walnut, right there. This and the blade pitch, about 15 degrees maybe. This fan motor uses a 2x10 stamped steel motor. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I was being an idiot and pulled this a bunch of times until the spring punched itself a hole. And before you guys start an argument, why on earth that's on a ball and socket? Well, the J-hook bracket doesn't fit on the mounting box, and this is not my house, so I cannot take the mounting box out and properly mount this fan, but this works right for now. Start with the low speed. For a Chinese fan, this fan performs okay. It just performs like any Hunter original out there, so. But some of you guys might say, oh, this fan performs like junk, but. It's just like any normal Hunter original that's out there. For high speed, we're doing around 200 RPM. Which is fast. This thing is like a hurricane on high. You probably won't notice, but the fan is wobbling. Probably could tell by the chain there. Probably because either the blade irons are bent over time, or probably because some of the blade irons are bent, and I need to tighten them. Well, loose. Probably some of the blade irons are loose, rather, and I just need to tighten them. And we'll let this fan coast with the light on. And I say this performance on this fan is pretty good. has gotten through the summer before. But pretty nice fan. Got this Habitat new in box of last year. Sadly, I don't have the box or the manual, or else I could show you, but I don't have that. It's long gone thrown out. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.